Welcome to Creativity Club, the club for expressing your dreams. Today we'll learn about mandalas. Let's dive into this fascinating art form and its spiritual significance. What is a mandala? Art teacher and mandala expert Jack will enlighten you.
A mandala is a symbol of the universe, consciousness, and spirituality. They are found in many cultures, making them universal. Most mandalas have colorful, detailed geometric patterns or designs. Mandalas are a type of spiritual art with a deep significance for many people. The word mandala itself simply means circle in Sanskrit.
Why should we learn about mandalas, and what will you gain from this experience? Learning about mandalas offers cultural appreciation, artistic expression, meditation benefits, psychological insight, spiritual exploration, historical understanding, art therapy insights, and aesthetic appreciation. It broadens cultural horizons and enhances artistic, spiritual, and mental well-being, providing a holistic perspective on human expression and creativity. Before we begin making our mandalas, let's learn about the elements and principles of art that you can express into your mandala. You'll gain the ability to create mandalas that resonate deeply with yourself and others.
Visual art is a language, and as a language, it has forms. These forms communicate our intention. Line, shape, form, color, value, texture, space, perspective, pattern, rhythm, movement, proportion, scale, balance, unity, emphasis.
Okay, now is the time to start making your own mandala. First of all, we need to prepare the paper. Step 1, here is your paper. 2, fold it in half horizontally. 3, then fold it in half lengthwise. 4, then go over your folded lines with a pencil using a ruler. 5, next make the largest possible circle the paper will allow using a compass. 6, finally cut out the circle. 7, make a diamond shape. 8, connect all points around the edge of the mandala. 9, circle in the center. 10, square the circle. 11, 4 directions north, south, east, and west. 12, connect to the center. 13, second inner circle. 14, square inner circle. And 15, the mandala should look like this. Step 2, design your color palette. Label sections. Divide your mandala into sections based on complementary color combinations. Use primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Plan your palette using these colors. Follow radial symmetry. Ensure your color scheme follows a symmetrical pattern from the center outwards. Step 3. Start by labeling your color palette. Erase labels before painting. Remove the labels after planning but before painting. Step 4. Add colors one by one. Begin with a single color. Apply the first color to the designated shapes. Build your color scheme. Add one color at a time, following the planned scheme and radial symmetry. Step 5. Focus on complementary combinations. Develop complementary combinations. Continue adding colors, ensuring they complement each other. Balance is key. Strive for aesthetic balance by distributing complementary colors evenly. Step 6. Incorporate personal symbols, signs, and metaphors. Incorporate your symbols. Within each section, integrate your personal symbols and signs creatively. Express with metaphors. Use your artistic language to convey metaphoric meanings through the symbols. Tips. Experiment and iterate. Don't hesitate to experiment with colors and symbols. If something doesn't work, paint over it and try again. Practice patience. Mandala creation takes time. Be patient with yourself and the process. Find your flow. Let your creativity flow naturally. mandala making is a meditative process. Enjoy the journey. So, why learn about mandalas? Because it's a gateway to self-expression, cultural understanding, and spiritual exploration. What will you get from this experience? The knowledge and skills to create meaningful mandalas that reflect your unique perspective and touch the hearts of those who view them. Get ready to explore Tibetan mandala history and embark on your journey to create your unique mandala masterpiece.